that during the prayer times, I'm feeling extremely lethargic and drowsy. Like I'm like almost feeling falling asleep when I'm doing the prayers. Like, and after the prayers are done, I'm like completely okay. So I'm not
Some
understanding, sir, what's negativity is there or
sometimes some kind of negativity may be there because of that, because of the previous blockages or the karmic blockages. You may have some kind of negativity and you are not feeling good while the prayers are going on. It's perfectly fine. It's just for a matter of time. Don't worry about it. It will simply
okay,
go away. This simply will go away in a matter of 1 2 days. That's it. Don't worry about
okay,
it.
sir.
It's all
Thank you.
temporary. It's all temporary because of the previous karmas. Your mind had sometime because become negative because of the previous karma. That's what I call it, a dark night of the soul. You know that. So
Okay,
sometimes it happens. The dark nights comes for some time, for some days, for some hours. It's there with everybody. That's perfectly fine. If you're able to understand that, if you're able to overcome that, just enjoy. Absolutely fine. Right.
Coming out while like sometime in prayers and sometime like in meditation and sometime in like listening satsang or some spiritual things.
See, tears are an expression of your inner being, inner love for the Supreme. And if they are pouring out, it's absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. The tear maybe donate. I mean, they may denote so many things. Maybe it's your love for the Supreme. Maybe that feeling of separation from your inner self, from your inner being, when you're the most beautiful self of which is your higher self, or maybe with that higher self itself is a supreme one, right? So that that tear may be expression of your previous blocked emotions also. So let it go. They are also part of catharsis. That's why if the tears are falling out, just enjoy. They'll make you feel light. They will make you feel loving after it is gone. So that's also a part of catharsis. Catharsis is when your emotions are overfilled, they should spill out. It's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine. That it should be there, and you should be able to express it, even if it's a kind of a discourse, or if it's kind of a bhajan or some kind of a spiritual song or whatever. You must do that, and it should be done frequently. Okay. So if the tears are there, they're always good for your physical and mental health.